While on routine patrol, a police officer observed a gray Kia making a U-turn with blacked-out rear passenger and rear window tint and conducted a traffic stop. After explaining to the driver the reason for the stop, he began to be argumentative and refused to get out of the car.
How you doing, sir? Officer Osborne with the Key West. You might roll that window down for me? The passenger window? The reason why I put you over is because your tint.
My window?
Yeah, your window tint. You got your license, registration, and proof of insurance?
So I got a question like, so last month, before a couple months ago, so the police stopped me for the windows. He told me I don't have problem for the back there. He have a problem for the front.
Yeah.
I'm going to Miami, I take it off. Not, he don't give me, he just talking to me for the windows. He's not talking to me about the front and the back. He's talking to me about the front. He tested.
You got your license and registration?
I give you. He tested. I go into Miami, I take it black. I just put this.
Okay, this tint's illegal. License, please.
No, because the back there is good.
Do I need your license?
The front is okay.
I need your license, registration.
I give you like. The back is okay.
All right.
But the front is good too. He's not illegal.
And your registration?
I just give you license, sir. That's it.
I need your registration and insurance.
Turn the car off. Turn the car off.
Turn the car off.
Turn the vehicle off.
For what?
Get out of the car.
Yeah,
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Exit the vehicle. Exit the vehicle. Exit the vehicle.
I give you the license.
Loud verbal order. Exit the vehicle.
What?
Step it up, Randy.
What?
Get out of the car.
Okay, what?
You're under arrest. Get out of the car.
What? For what?
You're under the arrest.
What?
Get out
For
of the car.
what?
Get out of the car.
Hey, Khaled.
Out.
Out. No. Out. Go.
Out.
Get out of the car.
No. So for what?
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Go ahead, come.
For what? No.
Step back. We'll talk to you in a minute.
Okay.
711. We're securing him now. We fought us.
Come on.
Sit in the car, please. Okay. Get your ID out, ma'am. Oh, look at that. And you hand over your notice of suspension. Going to jail for that, too. So you know your license is suspended.
No.
You don't even have the paper in here.
No.
Let's go.
No. Listen. Let me
No.
explain you. Let me explain you.
Let's go.
Let's go.
No, let me explain you.
No.
Something clean.
You got anything on you?
My license is not suspended, sir. It's not.
Next time the cops tell you do something, you do it.
No, because I talked to
So,
them.
get out of the car, get out of the car.
Go, ma'am, go.
Joe, you see what's nice too. You see what's nice too.
Hey, just say you're sorry, man.
You see what's nice, bro. You see what's
Take a
nice.
seat.
Do you want your wife to have the money, or
That's my money.
do you want your wife to have it?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Go ahead.
But I'm talking to
Put your
them,
feet
you know.
in. Put your feet in.
Before when the police stop me, they say like give you ticket.
Who are you? You're his wife?
We're living together. I have two boyfriends. It's my.
Okay.
It's my. I'm not.
Why was his license suspended? For child support with you?
No.
With somebody else?
He just paid the child support yesterday.
Okay.
But the kid is not my. It's not yours.
His license is suspended. He's argumentative. Didn't want to get out of the car.
No,
Wanted to argue
No,
about
it just-
this tent,
it just
which is
like-
illegal.
He have the receipt.
Tell
He
us
just
if
paid
this is okay.
yesterday.
That's obviously black.
No, 100%. Hey, what's the way to the cash? You want me to put it in his property, or
No, she can have everything. She's got to raise his kids.
here you go.
No, it's not my case. You know. Let me explain to you. Yesterday he's just go to pay the child support. Let me ask for the receipt.
What? Why he going to jail?
No.
What? So he got pulled over for tint and being suspended. Okay? Maybe he fixed his license. Doesn't show fixed. His biggest problem right now is when he was told to shut off this vehicle, get out of the car, he don't want to listen to lawful commands.
I know,
We have the right
I
to
know.
tell someone to get out of
I
the
know.
vehicle.
But yesterday just
And then
paid
to
the
fight
child
us
support.
the whole way out the car like he's in charge, he goes to jail. And he's lucky I don't tow this and ruin his life.
Can I call somebody because my English is not very good?
Well, we got a Creole speaker available.
But the license is not suspended.
Call 100. Call 1, are you available?
Because he need to pay yesterday, he go pay yesterday.
Okay.
Can I ask him for the receipt, please?
The what?
Can I ask him where he put the
Hold on,
receipt?
I got someone coming who speaks.
No, he can't come.
100. Can we call your phone for a quick translate?
But you see, for the window, it was the front. It was like that.
Yeah, he can't have it on the rear either.
Oh, but the police said he can just put the front out.
Yeah, maybe
but
that was
one
that.
is not a problem.
Maybe that was that cops thing, but it's like, see this?
Oh.
You can't even have it this far down. The front window tint is before the line. There's a line that says VS1 line on it. That's below. This is illegal. This is too far down, that black tint. Can't have that.
Man.
Mom, you don't know that.
You searching?
Yeah, just money. She got the money.
You're good with her taking your car, or do you want me to tow it?
Not tow it.
Okay, do you
7-1
want her
back
to
on
take
one.
your car, yes or no?
Yeah, just because why?
You know, just stay over here. Stay over here.
I know you weren't.
I don't argue.
But he paid yesterday. He was paying
She's got learners,
yesterday.
right? And then
Yeah, learners.
Okay. Do you want me to have her call somebody? She's got a learners. She can't drive.
Where you live at, maybe he can follow you home.
Man, for
Yeah.
what?
So we can make sure you get there safe. You're not supposed to drive without an adult in the car.
I know. If I'm not driving, I let me call somebody. Come pick
Yeah,
up.
that's fine.
Yeah.
So remember, your stop. Look at this. This is limousine
Yeah, all the way,
tint.
yeah.
I don't even need to put a tint reader on this to tell you. This you can't see through
See it
this
all,
at
yeah.
all. He's got this tint. He thinks that he's good as long as he doesn't have these tinted. We can't even see him, but this is below the VS1 line or whatever it's called, US1 VS1 line. That's illegal too. All right, we're gonna head out. We're gonna make sure she gets out here safe. Let's stop the We're going to be issuing you a criminal citation with a court date. Failure to sign will result in another charge. Are you going to be willing to sign the citation, acknowledging understanding, not an admission of guilt?
I don't speak English.
Okay.
I need to interpret.
So you're refusing? Okay.